So he then asks, then how come these great faqih, they took weak hadith to write their such great volume of book? You think they didn't know hadith? And I don't know how to answer.
Tell him, name one book Abu Hanifa wrote.
He says Al-Fiqh al-Akbar, but I said it's not authentically approved of him.
Fiqh al-Akbar is this small, right? First thing, Fiqh al-Awsat and Fiqh al-Akbar, whether they're authentic from Abu Hanifa or not, most likely it's not to begin with, but literally they're that big.
I saw one in library this week, trust me.
I have it. It's in my library, trust me. Go look it up. Google it, Fiqh al-Akbar, see how many pages is it. Show me where's the hadith in it. Where's the Jarh al-Ta'dil in it?
Al-Hidayah, right? This is
Al-Hidayah was not about Abu Hanifa.
No. It's not about Abu Hanifa. It's about a great faqih. He is writing a voluminous book. So you think he doesn't know the hadith is weak? And I don't know how to answer.
Al-Hidayah has a checking called Nasab al-Raya.
By Az-Zailai.
Nasab al-Raya by Zailai. Zailai says that some of these ahadith are mawdu'. Ibn Hammam, another Hanafi scholar, and I have I have a whole section on Hanafi fiqh. In Fath al-Qadir, in many ahadith, he says this hadith doesn't exist. It's in Al-Hidayah, but actually it's a mistake. This hadith doesn't exist. These are Hanafi. We take ulama based on evidences. And if an alim made a mistake, he still gets a reward. We love that alim. It's not disrespect. As the Prophet ﷺ said, the person will know when they make ijtihad, if they're right, they get 2 rewards. One for their proper ijtihad and second for getting it right. If they're wrong, they still get 1 reward because they did their best. But if those ahadith are da'if or mawdu', according to the grading of the early scholars, then we can't accept them, bro.